Hello lovelies, long time, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to bring you a taste of Jamaica right here in my kitchen. I'll show you step by step on how I make my own style of Jamaican oxtail. So let's begin. I start by washing, my oxtail is already washed, cleaned, and then prep for the oxtail sauce. So first thing I did, I'm going to show you the ingredient that I used. I start by onion, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, dry thyme, carrots, pimento seeds, oxtail seasoning, jerk seasoning, black pepper, brownie, paprika, soy sauce, ginger and garlic paste, ketchup, all-purpose seasoning. And let's begin marinating with this ingredient. So this is the all-purpose seasoning, and then the jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oxtail seasoning, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and then half teaspoon of black pepper, the soy sauce, brownie, dry thyme, and then I will mix this properly. As you can see, this is properly mixed, in a proper way. You need to mix this. I won't emphasize on this. You need to mix it properly. That is the main purpose of the marinating. Look at how it looks, properly marinated. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to wrap it with a foil and leave it in the fridge overnight. Like some people leave it for 2 hours, 3, but I want the flavor to really get into the oxtail. So I left it in the fridge overnight. So yeah, it's the next day. So I begin by heating the oil and the pot. Not too much oil, just, a little bit. Should I say half a cup of oil? It's just not too much. Let me just put it like that, not too much oil. So the next step is I am taking the oxtail step piece by piece into the pot. So I'm going to flip it over to the other side just to brown it properly. we need that to be done. So yeah, it is properly browned. This is what I need. The flavor is all in, like the kitchen is already smelling good. But yeah, so let's begin. So I'm going to mix my vegetables into the sauce, leftover sauce from the oxtail seasoning. So I'm mixing them all together. Now I'm going to set it aside. So I'm going to wash my pimento and seed and pour it into the pot. And yeah, I'm going to eat hot water and then, put the hot water into the oxtail. I just want to make sure the water has covered the oxtail, like enough to cover the oxtail. So here's where the magic happens. So we're going to leave it for 30 minutes and come back to it. Normally people use a pressure pot to cook this. So that takes few minutes to cook, but because I'm cooking in the pot, so it's going to stay a bit longer before it's cooked and for the oxtail to be soft and tender. So I am going to put a half of this Scotch bonnet. I don't want too much, so I left it inside the pot. And then here I'm putting in my vegetables into just to get the flavor locked in. just to get the flavor in. Don't worry, this food will taste delicious. Trust me. I'm going to cover it and leave it in for another 40 minutes. I know it takes time to cook. We just want the soft and tender oxtail. So it's going to be in the pot and cook for a long time. Maximum about 2 hours, 3 hours. But yeah, we just want that tender oxtail. So I'm adding a pinch of salt, just a half teaspoon of salt, then mix to taste. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for another 40 minutes for it to cook. I think this is the final steps. So, and here is my beautiful, delicious Jamaican oxtail. Cook my way, cook to perfection. And this is well served with rice and peas and plantain. You will enjoy this. I love it so much. It really tastes good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to everyone who will love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.